Everyone is talking about this and so many of you are worrying about it, and I just want you to know that this really is not something to worry about. The 200 view TikTok scandal. Now, if you're intelligent about this, you have to ask yourself if everybody, not everybody, but a lot of people, a huge amount of people on TikTok are all saying the same thing, that so many people with good content, bad content, mediocre content are stuck at 200 views. What does that tell you? It means lots of you have got the same problem. Now, I wish I could be a purist here and say it's because your content isn't good enough. It's because you don't have text on the screen. It's because you haven't said all of these keywords and all of these random things that even me myself, I once believed helped. But the secret is TikTok want you to pay for marketing. TikTok is a marketing app. I think the views are being deliberately suppressed because they all know you're vain. You all think you're content creators, even though you're just sitting in your kitchen smoking J's most of the day. None of you, or a lot of you, don't even have businesses or products or anything that you're selling. You've bought into the concept of being a content creator without creating content. And that was a very clever trick of TikTok, making everybody think that they're a content creator, even though some of you just are not. I know it's harsh, but it is the truth. Go and look, if you've got a business, if you've got a website, go and have a look at your Google Analytics, because I look at mine most days and I can tell you TikTok is right down there. Even on accounts I have that have thousands and thousands of followers, it is still right at the bottom. On some of my blogs and websites, TikTok doesn't even feature. I have accounts that have got thousands and thousands of followers. I've recently also done a test. This is a brand new account with another one over on Instagram. Instagram is growing way quicker than TikTok, and it's growing with much better quality traffic. What I mean by that is go and have a look at your followers. How many of those people have got 3 followers, 5 followers, no videos, no link in bio, no nothing? They're like bot accounts or spam accounts. Now, you might say, oh yeah, that's not TikTok's fault. Well, why haven't they brought in account verification then? Because if you think you've got loads of people following you, even though they're just bots or spider accounts or spam accounts, you're instantly going to think, oh yeah, I'm a content creator, I'm doing so well, I'm getting all the growth on TikTok, so I'm going to spend all of my time and then all of my money on TikTok. Think about it. If you are on TikTok because you want to market your business and you want to do it in a completely different way where you're not even 100% reliant on social media, then go and have a look in some of my resources, in particular my digital vault. In that, I show you how you create on the whole back end of your business through digital marketing and most importantly your email list, how to really genuinely market your business and communicate with your audience. Because we all know that TikTok, out of all of the platforms, is the worst for just randomly closing people's accounts or banning the accounts. And we've all seen the duality of the rules there. Let's not go into that. So you have to be clever about where you're marketing, where you're putting your efforts, and most importantly, the tools you use. TikTok is just one app. And to be honest with you, from a business perspective, unless you're pumping loads of money into it through apps, is probably not going to do that much for you, that much more than good old-fashioned SEO on Google. So have a think about it and don't get fooled by the vanity metrics.